Class 4, Lesson 2, Major Dhyan Chand. From this lesson, we can complete the worksheets 2.3 and 2.4. Worksheet 2.3. Read the given passage from your lesson. The passage is, Dhyan Chand's spiked shoes were making it difficult for him to run fast on the wet ground. He removed the shoes and the socks and began to run barefoot. The Indian team scored 3 more goals. The German goalkeeper pounced on Dhyan Chand and hurt him. But Dhyan Chand was a true soldier. After a little first aid, he immediately returned to the field and held the spectators spellbound with his game. At last, he scored the last goal of the match just as the game drew to a close. The Indian team had won the medal third time in a row. It was a hat-trick. Indians were the third time winners of the Olympic gold medal. First Roman, arrange the words in alphabetical order. One has been done for you. Children, now we shall arrange the given words in an alphabetical order. In the first one, the given words are run, ground, socks, foot, team. And we can arrange them in alphabetical order. Foot, ground, run, socks, team. Second one, goal, hut, more, soldier, true. Third one, field, game, last, little, match. Fourth one, close, hat, just, row, time. Fifth one, gold, medal, Olympic. Third, winner. Second Roman in worksheet 2.3. Read the given passage from your lesson. Children, we have already read the passage. Now we can fill the blanks. First blank, dash pounced on Dhyan Chand. German goalkeeper. Second one, dash was a true soldier. Dhyan Chand. Third one, the Indian team had won the medal third time. Fourth blank, it was a hat-trick. Dash were the third time winners of the Olympic gold medal, Indians. Third Roman is, study the following table and write at least 5 sentences. One has been done for you. Dhyan Chand was a true soldier. Dhyan Chand was a great player. Dhyan Chand was a nice man. Dhyan Chand was an award winner. Dhyan Chand was a sports star. Dhyan Chand was an able captain. In the fourth Roman, we can dictate some words to the students to write. Worksheet 2.4. First Roman, read the given passage from your lesson. The passage is, it is said that the German ruler offered Dhyan Chand a higher salary and rank in the German army if he agreed to play on behalf of Germany. But Dhyan Chand turned down the offer. After the celebrated victory in the Olympics, Hitler awarded a special gold medal to Dhyan Chand. You may be aware that hockey is our national sport. Major Dhyan Chand's birthday, August 29, is celebrated as National Sports Day in India. The famous National Stadium in Delhi is named after the great hero Dhyan Chand. Who knows, perhaps one of you may carry the legacy of Dhyan Chand further and win great glory of our country. First Roman in worksheet 2.4. Match the suitable antonyms to the words given below. One has been done for you. Antonyms means opposites for the given words. Aware, unaware, higher, lower, victory, defeat, down, up, after, before. Second Roman is read the paragraphs from the lesson and fill in the blanks. One has been done for you. First blank is German ruler offered Dhyan Chand a dash. Higher salary and rank in the German army. Second blank Hitler awarded dash to Dhyan Chand gold medal. Third one August 29th is dash day, celebrated as National Sports Day. Fourth blank the National Stadium in Delhi is named after Dhyan Chand. Third Roman, study the following table and write at least 4 sentences. Hockey is our national game. Lotus is our national flower. Peacock is our national bird. Tiger is our national animal. Thank you for watching.